Hello Rackstars, I'm Diego, and in this tutorial I will show you how to connect your WisGateOS2 Edge gateway to the AWS IoT Core for LoRaWAN via basic station. Before we begin, make sure that you have your WisGate Edge gateway powered up and connected to the internet. Also, have your AWS account and permissions set up. You can find out how to set up your account in the link in the video description. Now let's begin. Start with opening the AWS IoT Core console. In the AWS IoT console, navigate to LP1 Devices, then Gateways. Click on Add Gateway. You will need your Gateway EUI. To get the Gateway EUI, access the Gateway Web UI. Navigate to Dashboard, then Overview. Copy the EUI. Paste the EUI in the EUI field. Select your frequency plan and give a name for your gateway. Click on Add Gateway. On the next page, click on Generate Certificate to generate the gateway certificates. Download them as well as the trust certificates. In the Gateway Permissions, select IoT Wireless Gateway Cert Manager role. Click on Submit to add the gateway. Now, click on the Gateway ID. Copy the LNS endpoint. Head back to the web UI of the gateway. Navigate to LoRa menu and select Basic Station Work Mode and expand the settings. In the server URL, paste the previously copied endpoint. Remember to delete the port number from it and type it in the port field. For authentication mode, choose TLS server and client authentication. Here, you will have to paste previously downloaded certificates. You can either drag and drop them or browse for them. For trust certificate, upload the INS trust file. For client certificate, select the cert.pem file. And for client key, choose private.key file. Click on Save Changes. After the changes are applied, you can go back to the AWS IoT Core console. Reload the page and verify that the connection is established in the last uplink received at area. We hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you want more of this, comment down below and stay tuned for more.